Hello everyone, I'm here to explain for you how to use my indicator volume candles. This indicator is version 2.9. It has three methods to trade. It gives you levels, doesn't give you a trend direction, so be careful. Volume candle is a method. Sell and buy levels is another one. The max candle is based on the calculation here. The max candle also based on information you enter on those three lines. I'm now in 20 minutes. Telling please for 1 hour scan for the last 360 candles back, get for me the biggest one, do your calculation. Later on I want to see those levels. This buy and sell levels based on a value I enter here. Okay, manual value of BEPS for the price range you select. So let us see how it works. I will start with volume candle, which is easiest one. Simply I'm in 20-minute time frame. When it is opened, the indicator, when you drop the indicator for the first time, it gives you this blue and red vertical horizontal lines and these vertical lines. They do nothing. They mean nothing. Just you need to move this line to the left, saying whichever in the right side of this line, which is like 65 candle, tell me what is the biggest high and low candles. This is only what I did. I will click now volume candle, and here we go. You have the best sell and buy level based on the candles themselves. They are not identical, they are based on the candle itself. So you get a good sell and buy levels. Okay, this is the volume candles. Of course, if you sell here, you have to back to your, if you back here, sell here, this is the first buy take profit, this is the second one. If you sell here, you can take profit 50% here and then here, and you can set your stop loss like 30% of the space, of the distance. For example, I'm here, I will not make it 50%, I make it a little lower like here. This is a good stop loss for, so stop loss is very close, but the take profit from here to here, the 1 and 2, and even you can go 3 based on your trend configuration, okay, or trend analysis. This is the volume candle. I will do another example in quick. I'm 1 hour. I will do it on lines. Go 1 hour again. Here, take this to the left. Press volume candle. Here I go. Here I go. I will start from here. I don't prefer to work here, but I would like to sell and buy on clean levels. The price didn't touch before, so I can guarantee at least if it goes lower, the price can back again to my trade. We finished volume candle. Now we go to the sell and buy level, which are manual. I delete everything and I change my time frame just to drop the lines for me. Okay, I have here in this method, sell and buy levels, which is a manual, I don't use this line at all. I just check a range saying, please, this is my range, this is up, this is down, like this. How many pips between them? From here to here, 1,638 point. If you convert it to dollar, it will be like 16.3. I don't know how to make it with pound, dollar, and euro. Maybe it is divided by 10, but here in gold it's by 100. 16.3. So 16.3 is the distance that I want to analyze. Okay, back again to my it went back again, so I say okay, no problem. You can put a less than this, but you can say okay, for example, you can make it 8, 7, 5, 4, up to your preference. I can make it here or put it here, okay, whatever you like. Let us put it here. Yes, I know the range was for the fall, but this is just my opinion. This is fine. This is the contained candles. Now show me the sell levels and buy levels. Okay, of course this might be below and this should be up to show me what is the best for them. Show me the sell levels and buy levels. Okay, so here it tells me, look, if you want to buy or sell based on this range that you enter, BEPS, here you start to sell. here you start, and here you start. Here is better to buy, and so on. So this is based on a duplication of the price. Here is 16, 32, 64, and so on. I think both of them are equivalent. This and this are equivalent, and this is duplicated. Okay. Now the max candle. This is a very interesting method. Now we finished volume candles first, then we now talk about sell and buy level, which it is depending on the manual configuration of Pepsi you enter here. Now we go to the third method, last method, which is a max candle. Max candle is a fantastic one. It has a logic telling you, look, first you have to know something. Let me take this away because it is not involved with us. This candle which the price is moving, it's called candle 0. This is candle 1, candle 2, candle 3. Okay? I'm telling here the configuration. Please go to time frame H1. I can say let it be the current time frame, the last 45 candle. Okay? For the last 45 candle of this 1 hour, let me see here, 45, 32. Okay. In this range, from here to here, what is the biggest candle? He say it's 15. I can see this one. It's like this one. It's very clear. Okay, it's very clear for my eyes. 15.68, almost. Okay. So the current candle, which is 0, which the price which is still not yet closed. Let's imagine the gold is still moving, and this is not closed. This is candle 0. This candle 0 is this one. It's saying it's $1. What do you mean? From here to here, yes, it's like $1 almost or something. Okay, 1 point something. Anyhow, the current candle is like $1. When the price is moving, you will have a good. Let me finish this first, and then we'll go to Ethereum, which is the market, which market is open. Okay, so here it tells you, look, in the last 45 candle, which you configure for the time period, for the time frame current, which is 1 hour, you should take buy. Why it said take buy? Because the size percentage of the volumes for buy is 64, and for the sell is 35. So it get the biggest candle, then it gets the how much is the biggest candle bearish, biggest candle bullish, and takes a percentage. So now it's more for 64 for the 1 hour. For the 1 hour, the strongest candle was bullish. The weakest and the lowest candle was the lower candle or smaller size was bearish. That's why. If you find this take buy and you are in the bottom, then you start take buy with some confidence. Okay, tell me something. Current, we agreed this is candle 0. The current, how much percentage of the max candle? So this is our max candle, which is a 45 biggest candle, whatever it was, bearish or full bullish. This is the biggest candle. The current, which is this 0, how much this 0 percentage to this one? It's saying 60%. Okay, what is about this last 3 ones? This 0, 1, and 2, from up to down. How much this distance compared to my biggest candle? I tell you, look, it's like 20%. What this will help me with? If this either one of those crossed huge number like 50%, if this reach, for example, when the price is moving like 80%, 90%, it means you are in good. The price is exhausted. I mean, it's tired. It's now started reversal. It will help you for the current candle or the last 3 together. If this reaches 100%, then you are in good situation to buy or sell based on the price moving direction. Okay, but what if I told him, please show me for this candle now, if I want to reach to this volume candle as high and low, from here to up, how much I will go up? Like 50%, 55%. So 55% of this. So this candle, if I want to see the location up the level up 55% of this size, we said this is $15, so 7.5. So 7.5 from here to here, where I will be, you will be in 1750. So if it is 85%, if I want to take 85% of this one, position it here from bottom to top, where I will reach, you will reach 1754. This means you are you are utilizing the distance, the high and low of biggest candle as indicator for you for when you start selling and buying. But you will not like to read this one. So if you click here now to tell you, okay, 1750 is 55% from bottom to here, based on this candle size. 1754 or 1755 almost is 80% of this biggest volume candle. If I take 85% of this bips, the length, put it from down to up, it will reach here. Same you do. From this candle top, if it falls with length of 55% of this candle, it will go here, 1733. This level already utilized or consumed, so I will be looking for 1729 and lower. I hope it was clear. Please let me know if you have any questions, and also don't forget the Telegram group, pardon for this, Telegram group, which is where I have two channel and chat at Elgindy Goldman. Of course, it is now private, so you have to go here and wait for me to add you because I have some scammer at Elgindy Gold. This is a chat. It's all open with the name, no problem anytime. Okay. So those are Telegram group. Be sure that there's more indicator for free are available when you reach to my channel. Enjoy your time. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your time.